Today, we're going to build a complete Uber-style app with Google AI Studio. No coding, just a single AI prompt. Yes, just one prompt. So without any wait, let's start the video. First, open the Chrome browser and type Google AI Studio. Then press Enter. Click on the first link that appears, and the official website will open. Now click on the Get Started button. After entering the platform, you'll see multiple options and tools. But the goal is to build an app, so move to the sidebar and click on the Build section. This will open a chat interface where you can describe your app idea. Now type the prompt. Create an Uber app using React and Tailwind CSS. And click on the Build button. The AI will now start generating the code. This may take a few minutes, so this part can be sped up. After a few minutes, the result will be ready. And honestly, it looks really impressive. Now expand the screen and test the app. Enter the pickup location as London and the destination as New York. Notice the smooth animations and flow. Everything is working perfectly. Next, click on Find Ride, select a ride, choose UberX, and click on Request. And just like that, the driver starts arriving. That's insane. The app is also fully responsive, working seamlessly on mobile, tablet, and desktop devices. And the crazy part is, all of this was generated using just a single AI prompt. You can even explore the complete code generated by the AI. This is literally changing how apps are built. So yeah, that's it for today. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe, share it with others, and drop a comment below. What should we build next using AI? See you in the next one.